Buy a ripe guava and take out its seeds. Take a small pot and fill it with potting soil. Mix some sand to make the soil free draining. Mix the seeds in the soil. Water well and place in full sun. The seeds will germinate in 3 to 10 weeks, depending on temperature. Transplant the seedling in a larger pot when they grow 2 to 3 sets of leaves. This is a similarly grown guava tree after 2 months. Pot size. Young guava seedling in a too big pot can rot the roots due to excessive moisture. The pot should have drainage holes to drain extra water. The standing water in the pot may kill the plant. Soil. A well-draining slightly acidic soil that contains lots of organic matter is the best for potted guava tree. Use a mixture of 70% potting mix, 15% river sand and 15% compost or cow manure. The river sand makes the soil free draining while compost makes the soil acidic and nutrition rich. Position. Place the pot in sunny location where it receives at least 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. You can move the pot in sun if you do not get enough sunlight at one place. Watering guavas. Water the guava tree consistently, especially when young, keeping the soil evenly moist. Once established, water only when the top 1-inch soil gets dry. Insert your finger in the soil and check and water if dry. In very hot weather, your guava tree may need daily watering even twice a day, especially if it is forming fruit. In winter, the plant may not need water for several days. Do not water on the leaves and water in the morning so the sun can dry the tree fast, so avoid fungal disease. Mulch. Put a thick layer of mulch on the soil to conserve moisture and prevent weeds. You may use sugarcane mulch, wood chips, chopped leaves, or straw. Pruning. Pruning helps maintain the shape and the size of the tree. Regular pruning promotes air circulation. Remove dead and crowded or crossed branches for air flow and to encourage new growth and flowering. Cut the branches into half after harvesting. This will encourage new growth. The flowers come on the new growth. Fertilizer. The potted guava trees require regular fertilization. Use a balanced citrus or rose fertilizer in late winter or early spring. Sprinkle fertilizer along the rim of the pot and mix in the soil and water. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Feed a liquid fertilizer like Power Feed or Miracle Grow every 2 weeks from spring to fruit harvesting. Pests and diseases. Guava tree can have pests such as aphids, mites, mealybugs, fruit fly and scale insects. Spray neem oil to fight insect problem. Mix 1 milliliter neem oil and a few drops of liquid dishwashing soap in 1 liter water and spray on all the leaves. Keep the plant clean, remove any fallen leaves from the soil. Later I will show you how to get fruits without any holes and insects inside. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Guava flowering and harvesting. Guava is self-pollinating, so other tree is not needed for pollination and fruit production. The guava tree will begin to flower and bear fruit in about 2 years, thereafter it will produce large number of fruits every year. Harvest the fruit when it begins to change color. Place the guavas on the kitchen table, they will ripen in a couple of days. How to make guavas sweeter. The guavas that are allowed to ripen fully on the tree will have a sweeter taste. Cover them with a net or fruit bags to protect them from birds and insects. If your guavas taste sour, it means they need summer heat to develop sweetness. You can try adding potash in the soil to make your guavas sweet. How to grow more fruits. Guava flowers grow on new growth of the same year. So always prune all the branches at least about half of their length after harvesting. This will encourage new growth in spring and more fruit will grow. How to increase the size of the fruit. If there are too many fruit on the tree, then the tree's energy will be divided to grow all the fruits. So it is better to remove some of the fruits when they are tiny. Keep only 2 or 3 fruits on a branch. Once the fruits have formed, you may trim the long branches beyond the fruits to direct tree's energy to grow the fruit and not the branches. Also adding some cow manure in early spring and feeding a liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks from spring will help. How to prevent holes on fruit and worms inside. Many times you will see holes on the fruit and worms inside the fruit. These are because the fruit flies lay eggs beneath the guava's skin. To prevent this, you can do either of the 3 things. First, hang 2 to 3 yellow sticky fly traps on the tree. The flies and insects may stick on the traps whenever they come on the tree. Secondly, hang a bottle with holes in the lid for flies to enter. Pour some apple cider vinegar in the bottle. Flies will be attracted to it and drown in vinegar. Thirdly, enclose the fruits in a paper bag or fruit bag to prevent fruit flies to lay eggs. I enclose my fruits as soon as they are formed until they are ready to pick up. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my other videos. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Thanks for watching.